Okay, so we will start with the practical number 11. Design a window application using picture box and panel. So we will be using here picture box and panel. Okay, in that we will be using a toolbar, forms and panel control. Okay, so you can see the screen, write a program using a toolbar, forms and panels. So we'll be using here forms. In that form, we will be using a picture box and also the panel control. Okay, so these are the programs which we will be doing. So first of all, what is the difference between form and a panel? So Windows form, panel control are used to provide an identifiable grouping of another control. Okay, so it is used for grouping purpose. Different types of toolbars which we can use under that panel. Okay, so the basic difference between forms panel control are used to provide a identifiable grouping for other control. Use panels to subdivide a form by function. So we use a different type of forms which will be divided using the panel. So the panel control is similar to the group box control. Okay, only the panel control can have scroll bar and only the group box controls display a caption. Okay, so this is the way how we will be taking. First, we will see the example of a picture box, how to load a picture into a picture box. Okay, so first we will see the practical of how to load a picture box with the image. So this is the example which is shown on the screen. So I will perform this example practical and show you how we can use the picture box. After that, we will be studying a program to use a panel control in VB.NET. We will be using a panel control. Okay, so the practical which we are going to study now is design Windows application using picture box and panel. So these are the both these two tools we will be studying in practical number 11. Okay, so first we will see the example of picture box. Okay, for that I will be open my Visual Studio. Okay, in that so I open a Visual Studio. In that I will be creating a new project. Windows form application. Okay, this is the GUI of Visual Studio.NET. In that we will be taking picture box. Okay, so the practical we are performing is about the picture box. So go in the toolbox. In that there is a picture box. See, okay, it is used to display an image on the form. So for that we use a picture box. So I'll be taking the picture box. Okay, see, this is your picture box. You can scroll it or resize it. See, I have taken the picture box. In this picture box we will be displaying a image. So there are two ways by which we can display the images. See, the first way, See, there is an arrow over here. Everyone can see. See, this is a arrow. I will click on that and it shows choose image. Okay, so I will go into choose image. Where the resource file is there, I will go over there. Okay, local resource, import. If there is any image in my system, I will show you. The pictures. Okay, there are no pictures. Wait, I'll show you on desktop. Okay, so I will select the image and open. Okay, the preview of the image is shown over here. Select resource. I will give a okay. See, the image is being loaded. This is the first way in which I have directly given the image which will be displayed in the picture box. See, from properties window also we can give it. Here is an arrow. We click over here. From properties window, we can also give the image path. See, this is the property window. When I click on the picture box, go in a property window. In that property window, there is an image. Go in that. Okay, so you can select image from here also. ही एक वन वे आहे. हे समजली प्रत्येकाला? कुठला इमेज ऍड करू शकतो आपण पिक्चर बॉक्स मध्ये?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सिंपल वे आहे. सेकंड वे इज कोडिंग. ठीक आहे, कोडिंगनी पण आपण त्याच्यामध्ये इमेज लोड करू शकतो. फॉर दॅट आय विल शो यू दॅट सेकंड प्रोसेस. यू कॅन सी ओव्हर हियर we have taken a picture box. In that we have written a code. Whenever the form get loads, the picture box should be loaded with some image. Okay, for that we are taking this one. For that I will do the code. Okay, this is the one. I will say take a second picture box. Box. Okay, I have taken next second one. This is my second picture box. For that I am writing the code. On loading of the form, whenever I start or run my program, it should be loaded with the image. Okay. Okay. First way and second way I will be showing over here. Okay, I will double click on the form. I will not click on the controller. Whenever the form get load, these are the events. See, load, lost focus, menu start. These are the events of the form which we can use. Whenever form get loads, I will be writing the code over here. Whenever form get load, the picture box should also be get. So which picture box is there? This is a picture box 2. Okay. See, then we have to provide a image location only. We have to provide a image location. For that I am taking this one. You can see picture box. Which picture box is there? Our picture box 2. Okay. We will be providing a image location. Picture box 2 dot image location equal to the path of the image we have to give over here. Okay, so the path of the image is our, we will take this image path. Okay, C drive, user, staff and desktop. This is the path of my image. Okay, so I will give the path over here. Okay, my file is on desktop. So I am giving the file name is, my file name is images. Okay. Okay, तर एखादा पिक्चर बॉक्स जर लोड करायचा असेल तर वी हॅव टू गिव्ह अ पाथ. फॉर गिव्हिंग अ पाथ वी यूज द पिक्चर बॉक्स dot image location equal to the path of the image where the image is stored on your system. Okay, then in second line you can see picture box 2 dot size mode. I have given a size mode. It indicates how the image is displayed. If the image size is more, okay, we have taken a picture box small one. If the image size is more, it will be displayed in a large or in a minimized way. It will show. So we have taken picture box 2 dot size mode. The size mode we have defined over here is auto size. Okay, means size equal to the size of image. Means whatever size of a image will be there, it will be displayed in that size. Okay, so we have taken the property as a auto size. Okay, so this is the code how we can load the image into a picture box. Okay, so I will run the program. See, in first image and second image there is some difference. कोण सांगेल what is the difference between first image and second image?
साइज मध्ये डिफरन्स आहे सर.
ओके, तर फर्स्ट ज्यावेळेस आपण पाथ दिला पहिल्या पिक्चर बॉक्सला तर त्यावेळेस आपण साईज जी होती ऑटो साईज ने ठेवली. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे इमेज मोठी आहे पण पिक्चर बॉक्सची साईज छोटी आपली. ओके, सेकंड याच्यात वी हॅव चेंज पिक्चर बॉक्स साईज into auto size. Means whatever the size of image, it will be displayed. The size of the picture box will be that much. Okay, तर हा मेन डिफरन्स आहे. हे तर पहिल्याला जर आपल्याला ऑटो साईज द्यायची असेल, सो व्हॉट वी कॅन डू, ह्या इमेजला जर ऑटो साईज द्यायची असेल तर सिम्पली गो इन टू अ प्रॉपर्टी विंडो. ठीक आहे, डिझाईन वर जा, गो इन टू अ प्रॉपर्टी विंडो. हियर देर इज अ साईज. ओके, साईज मोड, auto size. Okay, auto size. See, the image is been, the size of image is increased, means auto size, it has taken the auto size. Okay, so for that I will take, when I will run, both the image will be seen similar. See now this the image. आता दोघांची ऑटो साइज केली मी, त्यामुळे दोघं पण प्रॉपरली आपल्याला डिस्प्ले होत आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपण पिक्चर बॉक्स मध्ये इमेज लोड करू शकतो. Okay, everyone understood how we can select a image in a picture box?
Yes, sir.
Catch any questions? Here we can also specify the size, locations of the images. Okay,